although Ojura itself is a war deity, hitherto it was under the custodianship of the Ashantis.
Okay.
So the Ashantis were celebrating the Ojura, not the Okuapems.
Okay.
But somewhere...
With the Akuapem.
Yes.
Okay.
Akuapem was a different,
okay.
But the war deity was normally carried along to help fight opponents.
Okay.
Now, so somewhere along the line, you are making direct reference to the Akuapem War that ensued between the alliance of the Krobos, the Akwemus, the Gans, as against the Ashantis.
Okay.
Then Ashantis were heavily defeated. I'm talking about 1824 to 1826. So, having been defeated, the Ojura deity and other materials were captured from them and were sent to Okuapehene's palace.
Okay.
And some of the items are not worth mentioning here.
Yeah.
But the Ojura deity,
yeah,
we can talk about because once we're talking about Ojura.
Ojura, yeah.
So some of the articles were also sent to Obusumase. That's where I come from. It's part of the Akuapem range. So what the Ojura means to the people of Akuapem now is a purification.
Okay.
Those days when there's a battlefield exercise, the heroes and those fallen, members of the group need to purify themselves because, war or battle exercise is normally tainted with blood.
Blood, yeah, you have to sanctify, purify yourself. Yes.
So that is why we celebrate
the Ojura.
Ojura.
Wow, that's a very brief history there.
Akuapem TV. Bepauso. Hein.